All right, here we go. Good luck, senor. Box number 3. Good luck. Buena suerte. I got you, Dylan. Even if he runs through the rest of it, I still got plenty. No. This is somebody sending me IMs to open up for him. No, I would let you pick your box, Dylan. All right, here we go. Ooh, 2 greens in here. Jake Bowers, Arizona Fall League. Drew Jackson. Wei-Che Huang for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Weren't you just talking about this guy? Wasn't somebody just talking about Wei-Che Huang? 494 of 499. Oh, there you go. Then we got Tyler Alexander, 21 of 99. Round 2 overall draft pick. Alex Verdugo and Adrian Beltre, 56 of 99. Inner number 1. Oof. When that hunger kicks in. See, you're saying that, and I got other people saying the opposite. All right, second hitter. Byung-Ho Park out of the gate. Connor Sadzik. Aaron Blair, 472 of 499. Reese McGuire, Dwayne Underwood, and David Paulino again. This one is not numbered. 1994. That was the box. So this one had the Aaron Blair, the 2 greens, Beltre, Tyler Alexander, Wei-Che Huang, and David Paulino. Thanks, sir.